Hello everyone, it's Monday 15 November and the time right now is 4:30 p.m. and the temperature is minus 1 degree Celsius. Today is the extreme foggy day in Calgary, and right now I am at the intersection of Memorial Drive and Avondale Drive, Memorial Drive and Avondale Drive Southeast. And this is how looks like Calgary right now. Extremely foggy. Literally, the roadside is zero visibility, is very dangerous for the driving. I was driving at the Stony Trail and it was literally zero visibility. Thank God I can reach at home. And it's too dangerous. Yesterday was a super sunny, warm weather in Calgary, and today now this is Calgary. That's exactly happen in Calgary every time weather is radically changed in Calgary. I think because of the big storm is coming, that's why it looks so foggy. And I think it was raining at the night also last night. Can you believe it? It's fog in the city and you couldn't see anything. Wow. Did you see, guys, opposite side of the road plaza? I couldn't read the signboard also. Oh my God. Oops. My gimbal was troubling because of the cold. Just look at the fog. Waiting for the signal. This looks like dreamland, fogland. Okay, this is my turn. but I don't know why whenever I breathe, I feel so good. I like the fog smell. Oh my god. It's the neighborhood side. Woo. The weather forecast says that a major big storm is coming towards Saskatchewan, Manitoba, and Alberta, and it could be 30 centimeters snow in the Rockies. I don't know about the Calgary, but we're expecting snow, huge snow. God, that's dangerous. If you are driving, drive carefully. Just check out the neighborhood is literally cannot see anything. Okay guys, take care, stay safe, and have a nice day.